So here is how we can change the notification bar on Android back to normal. So let me explain it and show you how you can fix it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get it started. So as you can see, I'm on my home screen and I can swipe down as everyone else and access the control center / notification panel, and there might be some things which you have changed about it. For example, if I swipe down one more time, I have the pencil tool right there, which I can click on and customize the whole thing, right? So as you can see, I have some brightness controls and device and stuff, right? But as you can see, in this regular mode, I can click on edit and I have the ability to reorganize the controls or whatever else I wanted to do, whatever else I changed. I always have the ability to click on reset in the bottom left corner to kind of like reset it back to the default order, and it's going to come back to the normal state if anything was changed. And that's actually very useful because you can make it come back to the normal one, right? So you can as well edit it in the other larger mode and also reset it if you would want to do that for the larger mode. So that's how you can do this. And of course, your notification should look as before. So it kind of depends on what you are going after or what is actually happening, but you might also have the problem that you simply don't get the notifications that you wish to get, right? So as you can see, I only have like this do not disturb mode notification or whatever, but if I don't receive those, which I actually want, I need to go to the settings app like this, and as I'm on the main section, I can find notifications right in here and make sure that I go to the apps and enable those which I actually want to get. For example, if you want to get notifications from Facebook, make sure it's turned on, and also that they appear everywhere that you want, right? Like on the lock screen or as pop-up or anywhere else. So that's how you can manage it on an app by app basis, and then decided that apps like Gmail, for example, are going to be delivering notifications and stuff. So yeah, that's how you can kind of like fix it if it wasn't working properly. But I would really love to hear your feedback below. I would really love to know if I managed to fix the issue for you, and if there is something else which you are kind of like wondering about, let me know about it below in the comments, and I will hopefully help you fix it later in the future uploads.